Welcome back, welcome back, welcome to Tadoba Jungle Camp.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing extremely well. As you guys know that I am at Tadoba right now and I have been staying at the Tadoba Jungle Camp since the last 2 days, and it has been an incredible experience over here. And today for this video I have somebody very special from the Tadoba Jungle Camp here with me who is going to take me around this incredible property. So hi Himanshu ji.
Hello everyone, this is Himanshu. I'm a general manager over here at Tadoba Jungle Camp, and it is our pleasure to have Mehak Parekh here in our camp.
This is relatively a new property here at Tadoba, and I have stayed here since the last 2 nights, and it is just so good, from their staff to Himanshu ji himself to all the amenities that they have in this property has been a great experience. So we shall go around the property.
Definitely.
He's going to take us around the property and show us what are the USPs that this property has and what is something that they have done differently.
We practice responsible and sustainable tourism. This is a property wherein nothing is gone waste. Whatever things which we use here is recycled and reused. Like we have a proper STP wherein all the waste is being converted into a manure, and all the water which is used in our property, it is now converted and treated, and it is spreaded in all the gardens which we are building up here.
So Himanshu ji have been associated with the Tadoba jungle since 20 years, right?
Yeah, I have an experience of more than 20 years working in wildlife parks of across India, and Tadoba is my second home. I have seen all the transformation which has happened here in Tadoba.
Now we are walking towards the organic farming. Can you tell us what's the concept behind this organic farming?
Yeah, the concept behind this organic farming is we wanted to give the guest an experience wherein they can have the authentic food which is served here in Tadoba Jungle Camp. It's a farm to table concept wherein we are going to grow vegetables in our organic farm. No fertilizers, no chemicals will be used in this organic farming, and the guests will have the authentic vegetable. And I have seen many of the guests who are living in urban cities, they wanted to get connected with Mother Nature.
Yeah, that's true. Even I love that. So I'm a very nature kind of a person, and staying in Mumbai, I have never been exposed to, so much nature. So whenever I am on trips like this, I thoroughly enjoy each and every part of
So
it.
that is basically, we are going to give this experience to the guests who are coming to Tadoba Jungle Camp.
So whatever we eat is directly from here
Yeah,
only?
from
Oh.
farm the table. From
That's
farm.
why I was wondering how was it this tasty, was it?
This is our organic farming where we are here growing around 16 different vegetables. Methi, bhindi, brinjal, coriander, mint, cauliflower, cabbage, tomatoes, chilies. All the vegetables are used in a organic way. Like we are not using any chemicals or fertilizer over here. And we have also developed a small unit where if the guest who wanted to practice some yoga or something, so this is basically made from mud and cow dung, and we have a yoga mat, push-ups and skipping rope which is there. The guest
Wow,
can
that's
have a
great.
yoga, wherein yoga as a practice is basically connecting to self, and when you are connected to self, you are connected to Mother Nature.
So this is the best
This
place
is the
you
best place
can,
where
yeah.
I can think that case.
Mom has started her meditation already over here.
Plan is by next year, to all our guests who are coming to Tadoba Jungle Camp, we are going to give fruits which are produced here in Tadoba Jungle. So this is the mango tree, we have papaya, we have chiku, and we have banana at Tadoba
Wow.
Jungle Camp.
So it's like with vegetables you have also implanted fruit.
The fruits and everything.
Wow, that's so great.
We, mankind, we have a major responsibility to protect whatever natural things which we have
Sure.
on Mother Earth.
Yes.
And one of the most important things which for the survival of mankind is water.
Water,
So
definitely.
here at Tadoba Jungle Camp, we take utmost care when we can preserve whatever water which we have. So in our camp, we have developed small ponds which are there. It's like work as a percolation tanks, wherein whatever rainwater which is there is acclimated here, and the water is preserved, and it also increases our water table which is there in our camp. And this small pond, this give a very good habitat for the birding.
Another very unique thing about this resort is that it is completely merged with the forest, and it's just one fence away, right?
Yeah, we are like merged with the forest of Tadoba National Park. The animals feel so comfortable. Not only the bird, the animal feels so comfortable that we have a tigress, which is just next to our property. And last month we have sighted this tigress with 3 cubs 4 times from our property.
Wow.
And there is a good presence of leopard as well as presence of wild dogs. So there are some guests who sighted wild dogs making a kill of an Indian blue bull while they were having breakfast. So this is something an amazing experience.
Probably a tiger can join us for the breakfast. What do you
Yeah,
think?
sure. That will be a dream come true. This is our reception area, and we generally welcome the guests here with a welcome drink and just give them some insights of Tadoba.
This is a beautiful deck area where we are walking right now, and there are around 12 cottages. There is something really unique about the stay here because every cottage here has a different theme. All the 12 cottages are different from one another, like in terms of theme, not in terms of the room or the room size, right?
Yeah.
It's just that each cottage has a different theme. So let's see what theme my cottage has.
Welcome to Tiger Pugmark. Your cottage number is 107.
Since it's a tiger pug mark, you can see there are all these tiger footprints. Now we are entering the room. This is exactly how the room looks like, an overview of the room. Everything over here is of the jungle theme, right?
Yeah. So this cottage is 107. The name of this cottage is Tiger Pugmark. And whatever which you see here in this cottage is like resembles have a photograph or an artifact of a tiger. So these are pillow and cushion cover which you can see is tiger only. Then the night lamps which are there, they are also handmade one which looks like a tiger.
There is one more bed over here, and that's how the view looks like from here. This room can easily accommodate up to 5 people, and the best part is that they have 2 different washrooms as well. That's the window every cottage has over here, and the purpose of this window is to transfer any kind of morning tea, coffee, breakfast, whatever the guest wants inside the room without really hampering the privacy. So the thing is that this property is absolutely plastic free. They aren't using a single plastic in this entire property, and I think that's the future, right?
Yeah, that's the future, not to use plastic because of kind of garbage which is collected from plastic. Here we have RO and UV protected water which is very safe for drinking. We don't give any plastic bottles. Not even this water bottles, but even the small sachets like mango pickle or sauce or sugar sachet or something. We just give you a glass bottle, not use of single plastic here in the
wow.
They are made from scrap. There's no other scrap se bana hua hai.
Oh.
Like we have not cut any tree.
These chairs and the door and everything is made out of
Even
scrap.
if you can see Mehak, even the handles which we are used here, you can see a small tree bark which is there. From this tree bark we have made this handle. Not only this main door handle, but other small handles which are there inside the cottage. They are made from this scrap wood. We also have a small library section. We have books of all interest, right from wildlife to field guides of mammals, birds, reptiles, butterflies, some travel magazines, travel books which are there. There are some books for fiction, non-fiction, and also some spiritual books.
Finally, we are done taking around this beautiful and amazing property. Each and everything here is done so thoughtfully, and they are promoting sustainable living, eco-friendly tourism, and it's just so thoughtfully done that I am just awestruck right now, and I have loved each and every bit of it. Thank you so much, Himanshu ji, for having me and my mom here on this special occasion before my birthday. And even last night these guys planned a surprise dinner for me under the stars, and the chef made me a cake as well, which was really overwhelming. So thank you for that once again.
We are on a right path, which I can say. Like in days to come, our camp, Tadoba Jungle Camp, will be one of the best lodge, not only in Tadoba but also in India. This is our objective, and we are going to practice the sustainable and responsible tourism.
That's
We
great.
are so glad that you are here and you have a
Yeah.
great time here at Tadoba Jungle Camp.
Same.
We look forward to welcoming you, your family, your friends at Tadoba Jungle Camp.
Thank you so much for having me.